You want to see one of the stupidest, most dangerous, idiotic installations of a security camera in your entire life? Okay, do you see those high voltage transformers? That's 13,000 volts on those little tiny lines. Do you see that security camera right there? It's within about 24 inches of that 13,000 volt high voltage line right there. That little wire coming up above it, what you see? You're on a ladder. You're sending an employee up. You're reaching out to that. You ever see an arc flash? How far it could jump? Instant death. You won't even get injured. You won't even hear your employee scream. It'll just be a drop of a dead body. That is freaking stupid. I cannot believe anybody is that freaking retarded. Right there's the camera. Right there's the high voltage line. Those are the high voltage lines dropping down from there. That is the most retarded thing I've ever seen.